To the stream. Today's Friday. Happy Friday. We got a long weekend. Or for those of us who are on the job hunt, it's just another day. Let's think. So, let me get the Twitch chat pulled up. What is it? JS Joe chat, maybe? No. I always forget how to do this. Chat. Nope. Okay. We'll hit refresh. There's the stream chat. I'll pause this. We'll do the pop-out chat. And I'll open it in a new tab. So we got that here. Hello, world. Okay, cool. So I have... What time is it? I've got like 30 minutes on the dot. Probably a little bit less will do. So we'll say... stopwatch. We'll open Twitter. Share. We'll do 24 minutes. Because I gotta go watch my daughter after this. So let's tweet this out. Turn that down a little bit. Sourcegraph. Cody. And what is... knows your entire code base. So they say... knows your entire code base. But does it know its own code base? Let's find out on Twitch. Twitch.tv/JSJoe. Let's find out for the next 23 minutes. I've got 23 minutes. Let's find out on Twitch. Cool. Okay. I don't know how to turn this off, but whatever. Okay, cool. So that's good. Pin the tab. Got our chat. Kill this. Sourcegraph Cody. Okay. So we've got Cody. I think I'm already registered. I don't know. I'll pull up my dev environment using Coder. I still use Coder. Let's autofill my dog food creds. Start up my dev space, and while that's running, let's pull up Sourcegraph Cody GitHub. There we go. Okay, so I want to see, does Cody, like I haven't used Cody before, does it know its own code base, right? So I think this is all in TypeScript. Yeah, 93%. Got a little CSS in there. We'll open up Code Server. And yeah, let's try it out. Okay, so install it for VS Code. Coming soon for NeoVim. I bet Tej is working on that. Or, you know, he's trying to get that out the door quickly. Oops. Okay, so because I'm going to use this in a tab and I just want to stream this one window, we might have some keyboard key bindings that conflict, but that's okay. Okay, so let's install Cody. I wonder what that means. This extension has a pre-release. Okay, so we're going to install it. Oh my gosh. Hola, amor. So let's see real quick. We're not going to be able to do that. So that is unfortunate. Let's figure out. Okay, so there's we can look at that real quick. It's probably, so this current version of Code Server, is that the right version? I thought that would be the VS Code version, but I don't know, 1.72. So what we can do, I wonder where the extension is. Maybe repository. Here we go. Oh, it's the same one. Okay, it could be in the package JSON. I'm actually going to unpin this so I can actually see the time in the tab. So we got 20 minutes. Okay. So it's not here. I was gonna see what are they putting for the VS Code engine. Usually it's in the package JSON. Maybe not. Okay, let's look for VS Code. Where's chat contributing? That's story. The ignore. What is it called again? VS Code extension compatibility. I'm always forgetting, like, because usually you put the engine, and so I'm guessing they have a pretty high engine, and code server is just behind. So like, if we do help about, it'll tell us. Okay, so it's using 1.721 is the version. If we look up the latest VS Code version, just want to see real quick, what is it? 1.81. Okay, so wow, they're pretty behind, but that's okay. It's a smaller team. I know the team, used to work on the team, so here we go. Extension manifest. Needs to manifest at the root of the extension engine. So see, typically this is where it is. There's a VS Code key. That's what I was trying to look for. So maybe if I put it in quotes, I gets me the exact same results. Let me see. Fixed. Okay, this is the change log. Maybe if we search version. Here we go. Starting from 02, Cody is using even patch for releases. No, okay. You would think it's in the package JSON, but maybe they append it later? Like, I thought it would be there. VS Code. That's so weird. Must be, maybe it's in here. Launch. Settings. Extensions. Launch. Version 2.0. Okay, so weird. Okay. Let's see. Published. License Sourcegraph. Typically, huh. Okay, well, we only got we don't have a ton of time, so let's say VS Code. Okay, well, we can open an issue later. I guess for now, let's go to code spaces. Hey, Akil, how's it going? Nice to see you here. Cool. So we are just trying to figure out. I was trying to figure out what version Cody is on. I don't know where. Maybe it's in their workflow. CLI release. So we can check here. Cody for VS Code. It looks like it's an environment variable. Which is weird though, because I feel like I thought you had to have it in the package JSON. Maybe not though. Okay, we'll do a couple. We'll do one more quick check. Code server. Cody not opening. Okay, I don't know. So I don't want to spend the whole time debugging that. We can raise an issue. Let me see. Let's put minimum VS Code version. Hi, Cody team. I'm trying to use Cody with Code Server, but so we'll snip this. But it seems like the version is too old. Usually, or we'll say I'm having trouble finding the minimum yes, code version Cody supports in the code base. Like, I don't even know what else to ask. Like, what do I want the team to do? I'd love to know where it is. Wondering if you can share where this version is located. Like, any workarounds to get it working. Typically, like, one of the things we could do is download the VSIX file, unzip it, or you rename it to zip, and then you can edit the package JSON itself. But I don't know. I have one, or we'll just say I could manually change the version, but wondering if there is a better approach. Okay. And then we'll say thank you. Cool. Okay, cool. So that's done. We got about 12 minutes left. So what we'll do instead is we'll use a code space. So we'll create a code space. We'll let that run in the background. Let's see if there's any, what labels they use. Maybe there's a good first issue. Yep, there's one. Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Because the Notepad widget is rendered outside the Cody store provider, there is a hack to move the Notepad widget. What is this hack? So does Okta, do I have an Okta login? No. That must be for internal. Okay. Write all public. Seems like a lot, but I mean, I have friends who work there and I trust them, so. Okay. Let's see. Authy. Okay, let me. Cool. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that's okay. Let's install the recommended. Cool. It even has Cody in there. Cool. So we're installed. We're good. So now, how do I use Cody? That's kind of the big question. So getting started, maybe. I'm installing it, but then what do I do? Maybe there's a Cody. What do I help in getting started? Okay. Here we go. So you can ask Cody a question. Okay, so I got to sign in here. I'm going to say sign into sourcegraph.com. I have no idea. Okay. So I probably don't want to show my access token on screen, so maybe you can see my face for a second. I'm going to go to settings, access tokens. I'm going to generate a token. We'll say Cody contributions, generate token, copy. copy it. Yeah, good thing I did not show it because it does not have a hide show key. Okay, cool. So I've done that. Now you can come back and see my screen. All right, so all I did was go to sourcegraph.com settings, grab my token. Okay, we got 9 minutes. Let's see. Hello, I'm Cody. I can write questions. Start writing code and I'll autocomplete lines. You can ask me to explain document. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we can fix this issue. This is 3 weeks ago. It's a bug in the web app. Okay. Because the Notepad widget is rendered outside the Cody store, instead of hacking further, it would be cheaper to fix the root cause. Okay. So let's just tell Cody. Let's see what Cody says. I'm trying to contribute to the Cody repo. Here's the context from the GitHub issue. And hopefully it supports Markdown. I have no idea. And let's give it the title. And then let's say, can you tell me where to go to fix this? I have no idea what Cody can do. So let's see. I don't have access to the full code base and context to provide. Can I give it access to the whole thing? How do I give it access? To the full code base. Because you would think that, like, I don't know. It's here. How do I give it access to everything? Let's say, if we're chatting in Sourcegraph, you can add repositories to the selector. For other runs like VS Code, you can copy-paste code snippets. Huh. I thought it knows my entire code base. How do I give it access then? Is there like docs? Resources. Here we go. How do I enabling configuration? Okay, here we go. Generating index to enable codebase awareness. That's my guess. Cody? It has access to Cody. So let me see. Maybe I can tell it. We don't want code server. Come back here. Okay. I checked. And you have access to the full repository. Can you tell me where to start on the issue I mentioned earlier? Okay, we got 6 minutes. Let's see if we can even just get some guidance. Let's see up earlier what it said. Look in the code for where the Cody sidebar and Notepad widget are. It's unfortunate this person did not link any code. Let me see. Oh, wait. What is this? Wait. What is this? Git Sourcegraph. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Did somebody already fix this? Oh. Okay, well, maybe that we could have started there. But anyways, let's come back. Let's just see what Cody says. Hey. Oh, cool. So it figured it out. Yeah. Thanks for providing full access. Cool. Based on reviewing the code, here's some pointers. Let's see if it... So this is actually kind of cool because we were operating under the assumption that this issue was still open and still relevant. But because there's an open PR, we actually know the answer. So now we're figuring out, would Cody have pointed me in the right direction? Cool. And let's see. So let's see what the pointers are, and then we'll compare it to the answer. So here's some pointers on where to start. Cody's sidebar component is defined in this. Cool. The notepad is here. The positioning logic is here in the store and calls set notepad position to update. To fix the root cause, you could try moving the notepad into the sidebar component tree, then inherit style. Update notepad store to remove manual positioning, and then add a test. So let's see, what did they do, this person who fixed it? They were in the repo container. Okay, so I don't think that was in the answer, but you know, at least it's some good pointers. Let's do open file. Hopefully that. Client. Okay, wait, it must be at the root? Or maybe web, maybe? Huh, wait, where is repo container? Let's repo container. Wait a second, is this in a different repo? Oh, wait. Okay, that is confusing. So, got it. Okay, so if we go back, this is under the Sourcegraph repo, but it's fixing a Cody issue. But I guess it's related to the web app, so. But it's related to Cody. Okay, well, a little confusing, but I guess it's our fault. I've tried it before, but it does not know the code base. It gives Copilot-like responses. It's a startup. Git start contributes to open source repos. What? There are multiple developers working with the same Git start. Oh, cool. What? Okay. That is sweet. Okay, well, hey, I mean, we figured out, you know, high level how Cody works. What is Git start? Is there like a website? Git start. Code as a service. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? How does it work? Tell me. Oh, Sourcegraph's using it. Okay. Is this like AI or is this like offshore? Like, how does this work? Pay for only PR as you merge. Interesting. That is super. Wow, that's a very fascinating concept. That's kind of genius. Though it makes me wonder, though, like, I guess people do the work and then it's not guaranteed they get paid. It's a downside, but they get experience. I don't know. Maybe, who knows? That is super fascinating. I had never heard about that. That's cool. No humans. Interesting. No, wait. Oh, no humans. Oh, what? Is it all AI? Well, because it says applies a developer. So what? I just want to know without. I mean, I guess I could watch this video, but I only have a minute or two left. I'm just so confused. They are humans. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, humans. Got it. Okay, well, it's cool. This is cool with Cody. So we did this. What are some Cody commands? Maybe we'll wrap up around there. Refactor this code, document. Yeah, let's do explain this code. Let's go to VS Code, source, chat. Let's go here. And then let's say Cody, explain this code. It probably needs me to highlight it though. So let's just say this, right? Here's a beginner friendly of the chat view provider. Oh, cool. So it's reading the file. The purpose is to handle communication between the chat view, web view, and the VS Code extension backend. It takes in options. That's awesome. Okay. What else can Cody do? Code smell. What is that one? How do I'm guessing I need like, okay, it's just going to do general small. It probably won't work, I'd imagine. Okay, it just does the open file, right? Or the active in the workbench. Based on the, here are potential improvements. Add typing to this. Add typing to the web view message interface. Like type equals submit. Interesting. Well, it has a command like that. Extract message handling into separate functions, putting each message case. Oh, I see. Okay. Cool. Okay, so it's kind of like, hey, here's some ideas for improving your code. That's awesome. Okay, and I'll probably sign off here in a minute. Generate unit test. That's awesome. Let me, maybe utils. I'm assuming they already have utils for, or tests for all this, but let's just, maybe if I highlight the code, open the command palette and do ask Cody, generate unit tests. I wonder if, because it's like integrated with VS Code, like will it create the file? Will it add it to the file? Will it give me the, okay, cool. Insert at cursor and copy. Cool. Count generated code. I'll probably sign off here in a minute. But this is awesome. Like I do that all the time with ChatGPT, so that's very helpful. Cool. Cool. Well, I gotta run to primarily use code spaces for development. Typically, I use like Coder, like Code Server, and because I'm streaming and I'm only streaming the browser window, I wanted to just do something in the browser to keep it simple. But typically, I use like Code Server as the PWA, but it's just VS Code in the browser. But yeah, I used to work there, so that's kind of the rationale there. I love it. And what else? Yeah, I mean, I would use it to switch between devices and all that, and I haven't gone through the work of like installing Node and basically all the like platform dependencies to be able to code on this PC laptop. But cool. Well, I'm going to sign off because I got to run. But thanks all for stopping by. We got to play with Cody, which was fun. I'll stop this, and yeah. So we'll catch you later. Maybe I'll do some more playing around with Cody. So keep an eye out. See ya.